In this lesson, let's talk about some important planning dates. So, when you're planning a Disney vacation, you have a lot of dates you need to remember when to book certain things. For example, your dining has to be booked at 180 days in advance. Your fast passes are either 60 or 30 days out, depending on if you're staying on or off site. If you're a DVC member, you have to book your hotel at either 7 months or 11 months out, depending if you're staying at your home resort or at any of the other Disney Vacation Club resorts. So I've created a tool that will help you guys figure this out. Now there are tons of other ways to do this. I've used apps before, but a lot of times the apps break. One of my favorite countdown apps has broken and hasn't worked in a long time, and a lot of the other ones have broken too. So this is the best way because this is in Excel and everyone can do this. So it's really simple. You will literally just type in your trip date. So let's say you're going on, I don't know, let's say you're going at 4th of July. So you're going to leave on July 1st, 2017. All of these have been readjusted for you to when you need to book. Now, the 7 months out, it's going to be a little goofy because it's 365 days in a year. You need 7 months, so it's either going to be 212 or 213, depending on when it is, but it should be about 212. You're 180 days out. That is 2 days ago, actually. So you could actually go ahead and make your dining reservations for your trip. You could make your 60 days out at May 2nd, and on June 1st, you can book your fast passes if you are staying off site. So it's really simple. So I just booked a trip yesterday for August 1st, and there's all the dates that I need to remember. So it's really simple and really easy to calculate out these vacations with this little tool. This will be a free resource to all of you guys that are taking this course, and yeah, I hope you get some use out of this. It's not something you're going to use every day, but what you can do, plug them in, it'll calculate it out for you, and you can plug these dates in on your phone's calendar, and then you're all set. So that's what I'm going to do right now, actually. So I'll see you guys in the next lesson.